love is toxic. All these kisses and hugs and no shit.
Hello lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Maya, and as you can see from the title and this wonderful lace right here, we're doing an install video today. Now this is the best install that I've ever done in my entire life, and majority of it is due to the fact that this wig came pre-plucked. The lace was super HD, super transparent, and just in general the hair was so easy to work with. It was easy to comb, all of those different things. So I'm gonna go ahead and get right into the video. There wasn't much doing. I really didn't have to customize the wig much. I did a little bit of plucking and I bleached the knots, but other than that, the wig basically came like ready to put on. Like, I didn't have to do much. You see what I'm doing here. We're gonna go ahead in with the glue. I did about 3 layers. I think I only showed about 2 on here though, but I did do 3 layers of glue because I wanted the wig to be stuck, and it definitely is still stuck. I'm filming this a day later. It's still in good condition, still up and stuck. Like, I'm pulling on it right now and it's not tugging at all. Like, it's there, it's stuck. And this glue, which glue is this? I think this is the Ghost Bond glue. This is the only glue I use because I really don't use glue when I'm doing my wigs, but I'm trying to get into being a real wig installer, so I've been using glue, and this one is really good. It dried very clear. I had no problems with it at all. Okay, when I tell y'all, when you see me cut this, just look. It's giving scalp. Like, it's really giving scalp. What? it's giving scalp. Like, I was so surprised. You can't tell by my face, but I was actually like shook. I have never installed a wig this flawlessly before, and it was so easy. Like, the wig just melted like it belonged in my scalp. Like, y'all see it. Y'all see it. And I'm very light, and if you know, when it comes to being light, like, being darker is easy when it comes to wigs, because a lot of the time the lace is already like a shade darker, or you can customize it. But when lace is too dark and you're light, there's literally nothing that you can do about it. So this lace is actually HD, because some companies will say they're HD and they will not be HD at all. Like, this is see-through, babes. Transparent. But yeah, I saw this little style on TikTok a little minute back, and I've always wanted to try it, but I've always been the type of person to get my hair done by somebody before, and I never, like, by the time that this started trending, I did not have my hairstylist. Like, I've been doing my hair by myself for a minute now, but I've only been doing my natural hair. So this is really like my first time in depth installing a 13 by 6 like wig, not just like a closure or something like that. I've installed one before, but it did not look good. I thought it did, but this one, like, the lace was just amazing. Like, y'all can sit here and see it yourselves. Like, this is good lace. You can't even tell that I got a wig on. It's looking like it's coming from my scalp. The one thing I have to work on though is like the brassiness of the bleach, and bleaching them just a little bit longer so the knots can be a little bit lighter. But other than that, I think I did a good job for this being like my second or third time like really going crazy with installing a wig and making sure, and they did a good job by making it much easier on me by sending me a pre-plucked wig. I didn't even know it was pre-plucked until I got it sent to me. I was astonished when I was looking at it through the bag. You guys know spring is right around the corner, so I'm trying to get all these curly hairstyles in for you guys. So if you guys have any more hairstyles that I should try, go ahead and let me know. But y'all know I'm going to keep hooking y'all up with the wig install videos and the codes and everything so y'all can get some discounts and such. But this is the final look. Super duper duper cute. Okay, looks like it's coming out of my head and everything. That's gonna be it though for this video. So I love you guys so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.